Hey, helpful cubs. Did you know butterflies taste with their feet? Yep, their taste buds are on their legs. And here's another mind blower. The longest lived butterfly can survive up to 12 months. Imagine that. But wait, did you know there are over 20,000 species of butterflies worldwide? Some even migrate thousands of miles. Speaking of colors, their vibrant wings are actually transparent, reflecting light to create those stunning hues. And here's a fun one. Butterflies can see colors we can't. Ultraviolet vision, anyone? Plus, they can fly at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. Crazy, right? These delicate creatures truly are nature's wonders. All right, helpful cubs, catch you next time. Share and subscribe for more.